What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video we're drawing Amy Rose from Sonic the Hedgehog. Let's begin today's lesson in the center of the page and draw a small circle for the nose. All the way around. Set a small circle on the top for highlight. And it will fill the bottom of the nose in black. Let's go out to the side of the nose. We're going to curve the muzzle, coming down and then out towards the sides. And I'll round up the cheeks. Around and then in. Let's close off the bottom of the chin with a curve, coming down from the left, and across towards the middle, and bend that back up towards the right. And then we want to shift the mouth over towards the right. So we're going to start on the left side, curve this down and then up a little bit higher, add a bracket on the end. Let's go back to the left, step in, curve the bottom of the mouth, coming down, and then up. On the left side, we're going to add the edge of the tongue, going up and then in toward the top, and then we'll fill in the left side. Now we're going to move up and draw two large ovals for the eyes. Let's start on the left. We'll come down towards the bottom, and then back up. Let's go to the right and do the same thing. Along the top of each eye, draw a smaller oval for highlight. And we're going to trace the eye along the inside, going in behind the highlight to the pupil. And then we'll fill the pupils in black. Now from here we can draw the hair brushed over towards the left. Let's start in the center of the forehead, then it's around the left eye, and then down towards the cheek. Go all the way around the outside, and then that in. Let's move out to the side, and go out and then down with a second spike. Go all the way up toward the top, and then bend that down. Let's add one more point. We're going to step out, going up and out. Go up toward the top, and then bend that down toward the center of the head. And I want to go back and layer the brow in behind the hair. Let's start on the left, come down in the middle, and then bend that up towards the right. Let's round out the top of the eye, come down the side, and then bend that in towards the cheek. Let's add two long lashes on the top right, going out and then up, step down, and draw that again. Now in this area we're going to draw in the ear. Let's start from the base, going up and then out, come down the side, and then bend that in. Let's trace the curve on the inside, going up and then down, and we'll close off the bottom with a curve going out and then down. Now from the outside of the eye, we're going to draw that first curve, going down in towards the cheek, and then in. Let's go to the left side and do the same thing, going down towards the same height. Now on the left, I'm just going to bend this out, go around, and then up underneath. Let's go over towards the right side, going out. I'm just going to pull that up, and then bend that in behind the side of the ear. Let's continue this curve along the inside of the ear, going up, and then out in behind the hair. Now I want to take this ear and flip it over on the left side in behind the hair. So we're going to start up here, go up and then out, and then down in behind, and down and then in. Let's trace the ear along the inside, and down toward the bottom, and round out the bottom. Now I want to continue this curve of the head going up and then in toward the side of the ear. Let's add that hairband, starting from the top. So trace the head going all the way around, in behind the ear, and then just taper that down toward the side. Add a little bit on the left side. Now with the head complete, let's move down and draw on the body. We're going to start with the collar, starting on the left, then this down, and then up. Let's move out toward the side, then the body, going out and then down towards the hip. Connect the hips with a curve. Now from the hips, we're going to widen the dress, starting on the left, then down, and then out, and then do the same thing on the right. And then going back to the left side, I'm going to draw a wave going over towards the right. So I'm going to start by coming down, go up, and then out. Let's add a trim along the bottom, just follow that same curve from left to right. Now let's tuck the legs in underneath. We need a gap in center, start on the left, then it's down and out towards the left, go to the right, and down and out towards the right. Let's round out the bottom of the legs, and down and up towards the side, then it's back in and then up underneath. Let's add a thick cuff around the bottom of the ankles. So we're going to step up, go all the way around like an oval, and then back in underneath. Now underneath the cuff on the outside, I'm going to bend the legs, going out and then down towards the heels. And then we'll round out the bottom of the feet. Going down and then up on the inside. And we'll leave a gap in between the feet. Let's go back to the left side. We're going to curl the foot. We're going to go up and bend that down towards the outside, aiming towards the heel. And then go to the inside of the cuff, bend the foot, coming down and out. Let's add a thick sole along the bottom of the feet. Just going to trace that curve going across. Now we're going to add that thick stripe across the front of the foot. Let's take this curve, step out, come in towards the foot, and then from here bend this in and then down towards the sole. Now I want to move out and do the same thing. Start with outside along the top, then in and then down. Now I want to carry this wave going in behind the legs. So we start on the right side, go all the way around, come in towards the side of the leg, continue along the center. Let's add a trim along the bottom, follow this all the way across, and then up. Now we're going to trace that one more time along the top. Now going back up to the top, let's stretch the arms out towards the side. We start from the top of the body, then the arms going down, and then out towards the wrist. Let's round out the wrist. And we'll trace that same curve coming back in towards the side of the body. Let's add a large bracelet around the wrist and step in, draw an oval, going all the way around and then back up along the bottom. Let's go to the bottom of the cuff, bend the thumb going out and then down. Round out the thumb, go up and then bend that back in. With the thumb, let's draw the first finger. We're going to bend this out and then up. Round out the finger, come down and then in. Now I'm going to bend the last two fingers. We're going to step up, bend this in and then down. Step back, draw that again. Do the same thing on the right side. Now I want to see the tip of the second finger underneath with a curve. And then we're going to add one more point along the back of the head. Let's start up here, come down and in, bend that back up. And then we'll sign our art and add a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. There's Amy Rose from Sonic the Hedgehog. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please make sure you subscribe because I'm posting new lessons every single week. You can also check out our other channels. I'll leave the links for you in the description below. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.